The trees that live between the curb and the sidewalk play a huge role in the beautification of cities, in calming traffic, and making people happier and bringing wildlife into the city. They're very important. We want trees to be healthy. We want trees to give us the things that we need in the city. But like all trees, when trees grow well, they cause problems. Readily familiar with the problems that trees cause above ground, meaning they grow into wires, they grow into buildings, they grow too low and block the parking, but they also cause underground issues for a number of reasons. Specifically, they damage sidewalks and damage streets. And so I started Root Cause to address underground tree problems. The idea for this company started way back when I had a tree service. We just did the same thing every tree service does: tree pruning, tree removal, stump grinding, tree planting. And I noticed the same problems over and over again, particularly in newly developed areas. 5, 10, 15, 20 years after construction, in many cases, the trees were struggling. And it took me a while to figure out it's because of the excavation, because the roots were damaged during construction, because the trees were buried subsequent to construction. When there are existing trees on a construction site, trees that need to be preserved, we can use air to trench and locate the existing roots as a means of informing construction. The biggest damage to trees from construction is just from soil compaction, from machinery and often just people walking repeatedly across the root zone of the tree compacts the soil, takes out all its pore space, and it loses its ability to percolate water. And so we can come back in, remediate the soil with air, add in organic material, and to try to fix it after the construction project. The minimum requirement for root pruning for sidewalk repair is to have an ISA certified arborist to supervise. Again, just as you prune the canopy of the tree above ground, you can prune the canopy below ground if you get it exposed properly, meaning if you can see where all the roots are, or all the roots that are in play. I'm an ISA certified arborist, and we have others on staff who are qualified to make the decisions, who not only have the experience to do the kind of work that we do, but are qualified to make the decisions about where we can do root pruning. If you work for a local municipality and you have any trees that need to be protected for any reason, call me at Root Cause.